my channel. My name is Whitney and today I am doing a Gymshark haul. Okay, so I've seen Gymshark all over the internet. I recently, FYI, have been working on my workout game. Yeah, I've been working out more. And so I kind of realized like I work out maybe 3 times that week, and then I realize I've run out of workout clothes or run out of like acceptable looking workout wear. I thought since I've been working out more, obviously in the summer everybody works out a little bit more. Everyone's just trying to get it right and get it tight for, you know, swimsuit season, all that. I thought I'd treat myself to some new pieces. So this is gonna be annoying. This sleeve. Okay. So anyway, I have worn several different workout brands before. I've worn like Nike leggings, Lululemon, Aloe Yoga. I don't know. I've worn so many different leggings before, but I never had a chance to check out Gymshark, and I know a lot of people really like Gymshark. I feel like a lot of people with curves like Gymshark, which definitely intrigues me because I definitely have a more curvy body style. So I've got booty you gotta fit in the leggings, and I've got thighs you gotta fit in the leggings. So it definitely is important to me that I can like squat and nothing is showing, and also it comes up high enough on me that when I am squatting, because I have a little something in the back, that the leggings aren't like coming down. You got that like plumber crack thing going on that nobody wants. Since there was a sale going on, and I unfortunately just checked and the sale is over, it took a while to get my stuff. I still believe they have these pieces on their website. They have them in several different colors, so you can definitely find them in different colors there, if not the same colors that I got. So I'll link everything down below. But the good part is, everything at Gymshark is super affordable. That is the other thing that makes it so attractive. If you've ever bought anything from Aloe Yoga, Lululemon, any of those brands, like we're looking at $90, $95, $110 for a pair of leggings. So this is definitely intriguing because you can definitely get, you can get 2 Gymshark leggings for the price of like 1 Lululemon. So you might as well at least give it a try. Okay, now that I am done rambling about Gymshark, if you are new to my channel, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. If you hit that red button down below, I'd really appreciate it. And don't forget the bell notification, because that way you'll get a notification to your phone or your computer or wherever you're watching this video every time I upload a new video. So hit the bell, hit the subscribe button, it's free, so you might as well. Okay, so I'm trying all these on for you. Like I mentioned, I will leave everything linked down below. Also check online. I found a coupon code that I was able to use in addition to the actual sale. So Google a coupon code. If I find one, I'll leave one down below, because I got an additional like 25 bucks off, which I'm like, perfect. That's pretty much the price of a sports bra. Oh, shipping. I want to talk to you about shipping. So because of the sale, it said that it was gonna be like maybe 5 to 7 days before it even left their warehouse. So just be aware of that. I don't think that's the normal shipping timeline, but because of the sale, they said they were extremely busy, so it's gonna take a little longer to get it out. And I just went with like the regular free shipping that they offered when you spent like so much money. So let's start off with my favorite pair of leggings. I got the Gymshark Vital Seamless Leggings in purple, and then the Gymshark Vital Seamless Sports Bra in purple. I tried to do matching sets, which I never do, so I'm so proud of myself. But here it is. I love this color. I'm the type of person that I feel like my body type doesn't always do well with color, so I do like darker colors if I can, because it gives me like a little bit of spunk, but at the same time, it's a little more flattering over the larger parts of my body. So I got the sports bra in small, and this fits great. It fits really perfect. It's really comfortable. It has padding inside. It has the traditional racer back. I have a feeling this material feels like a dry fit type of material. So I think this is gonna be like sweat wicking. It also is seamless like it mentioned, so it's just really comfortable. Like you can just see the quality of the sports bra, that it's just a really great material. So this fit absolutely perfect. This was probably what fit the best. Next is the matching leggings, and these leggings go all the way down to the ankle. They're seamless just like the sports bra. It has one seam on the inner part of the leg, and these are pretty long. I got these in a small, and these fit a little bit better than the next pair of leggings, are the exact same style and size, but for some reason these fit a little bit better. But I do like how high-waisted these are. I feel very comfortable in them. I feel like I can squat and be good to go. No need to worry about that. These are just extremely soft fabric and like comfortable. I just know that these are gonna be a legging that I'm gonna pull out all the time. And I feel like this set looks so cute together that you can easily wear this out to lunch, brunch, go grab coffee after a workout. Okay, next I picked up this sweatshirt, which you're probably thinking, why in the heck did you get a sweatshirt in the middle of summer? But I just felt like this was something I was going to need. I already got a little bit of makeup on it, oh my God. It's a crop sweatshirt, like it mentions. It has the hood and drawstring right here. Ignore my makeup. It says Gymshark on the front in white. But I thought this would look so cute paired with the sports bra and pants together. Different shades of purple, but I kind of like that monochromatic look, but like several shades of one color. This is a super comfy sweatshirt. This is a really, really nice sweatshirt. I like that it kind of has this like cross feature right here by the neck, but it is so comfy and cozy inside. And yes, you would obviously be hot wearing this in the summer. But me personally, sometimes I go to classes, like I'll go to like a Bikram class or something like that where I'm sweating to death. And then I have to like go into a building with air conditioning or something like that afterward. And I need a heavy sweatshirt like this, even in the summer months, because if I'm drenched in sweat, then I still feel like I need like a pretty heavy coat or sleeve. Really cute athleisure wear. You could obviously just pair this with jeans and wear it out in the like fall months, or you could pair it with like jean shorts or something like that. But I just thought this was like a great piece that I could just throw over, and the color matched really well with the items I got. Speaking of the next pair of leggings and sports bra I was talking about, I got the exact same style in the color pink. So the first one I showed you was purple. This is the color pink. It is the exact same design as I just showed you guys, but here is the pink shade. And this shade, I will mention, I feel like is a little less flattering on me because the color is lighter, which I already knew that was going to be the case, but I am just so into this millennial pink color right now. I mean, like any other millennial, I'm all like, give me millennial pink, please. So I thought this was a really pretty shade. I love this. I thought this would be like a really pretty look to wear to like a yoga class or Pilates class, you know, want more of those like girly type of workouts. Obviously you could still wear this to the gym and lift heavy, but it was just really feminine and beautiful, and I thought perfect for summer. Once again, I wasn't sure if the color was gonna match with the sweatshirt, but it matches perfectly. So this will look really cute with the pair of leggings as well. So here are the leggings to match. They look just like the purple pair. They have the little Gymshark detail right here on the side, and then that nice thick waistband at the top that is gonna kind of pull you in and keep everything secure. High-waisted, like I mentioned before, goes all the way down to the ankle, and it has this little detail along the edge of the legging. So pretty. I love these leggings. And then this is the inner seam. It's more closer to the color of the actual legging, whereas the purple one has that like dark purple seam on the inside. Really, really pretty. There's a little bit of detail on the booty of both of these. It kind of just like cups your butt a little bit more and defines it. It's very, very subtle. It's not anything that you're gonna see from like across the room, but I do think it looks really flattering on the butt and like just makes everything look shapely and put together, which is what you want. I'm like, if you can't build in the gym, let's fake it while we're at the gym. So the final set that I got, so this, along with the other two sets, came in a plethora of colors. So if you don't like these colors, definitely still check it out and see if there's a color that you like. This one is, I feel like, the more traditional Gymshark legging look that I've seen all over Instagram and I've seen everybody wear. So it's got that Gymshark waistband right here on the legging that's like, you can't miss it. This is the light gray. I wanted a darker gray, but they had already sold out of that, so maybe they have that now. And it has like dark gray accents along the legging to help kind of shape you again. It is kind of like that seamless feel. It's not exactly seamless, but it kind of has that feel like it's a very like thin seam. And then on the back, it has that dark gray, light gray, butt definition that really, really shapes your booty and lifts your butt. So these look really great on. I will mention that these leggings though are not as high-waisted, so I wouldn't consider them high-waisted at all. These come up to my belly button where the other ones like go over it. So you have to feel like a little more put together in these if you're just gonna wear your sports bra with it. Otherwise, I would probably wear this with a tank top over my sports bra so you're not fully exposed. But yes, these leggings really shape you and make you look really good. Here is the matching sports bra. and it has the matching band right here at the bottom that says Gymshark. It has a little bit of the gray detail along the bust line to help shape your chest again. It is a racer back. This fit really well as well. And yeah, I do like these colors. I love the color combination, and it's great. It's gonna like work with everything. All right guys, that is it for my Gymshark try on haul. I hope you enjoyed it. I picked up some really good pieces and I wanted to share with you how they all fit on me. And just in case you maybe have a body type like mine and you were always wondering, is this something you should try out? So I hope you're able to see how it all fit, learn a little bit about each style of legging and set, and see which one might be right for you. I'll be sure to leave all of the links down below so they'll be easy to find, as well as the size that I ordered and the color, because I know there's a lot of different color combinations on their site. So I'll leave the colors that I picked up. And also if I find a discount code, I'll be sure to include that. If the one I use still works, I'll include that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, hit that red button, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.